YouTube average watch time is now over 9 minutes. And so people are watching long form content, and the longer the better if you keep their attention, because YouTube's algorithm is driven by minutes watched. But their search engine is driven in many ways by minutes watched, but it's also driven by the title, and it's also driven by the click-throughs. And that's where you got to put a ton of creative energy into your title and into your thumbnail. And that's what's really going to drive that initial engagement. And so what I see churches doing is just letting YouTube automatically create their thumbnail, and using the title of Sunday Sermon, October 27th, 2007. And they're using the date and not the title. And you got to think searchable title, and then fill out the description, because that's a part of search keywords as well, and calls to action and information. And so spending that time utilizing the functionality. And then I think the last function that isn't as important, but I think it's still important, is the end screen. And so that's giving people that opportunity to subscribe at the end, or to watch another video that you have, because a lot of people will watch your first video and then that will lead them to watching other videos. Aaron, I'm curious, from your perspective, are there any other functions within YouTube that you see as kind of key tools that churches should be leaning into? It looks like we have lost Aaron. Well, we will, I don't even know where to go from here, but this is kind of a first here on the podcast, but I'm going to keep going, and we're going to keep talking about YouTube. And so I'm back. You're back. Here he is.
One of the things I wanted to interject in that, in regarding the searchability, and a lot of, there's a great interview from Pastor Michael Todd from Transformation Church, who has the 1 million subscribers. And one of the fundamental shifts that he made, so not only are you adding content to the conversation, but he started realizing, man, my messages don't just last for one weekend and then it's just a flash in a pan and it's gone. And what I'm about to say is true of our church as well. With 9,000 subscribers, there's people that will watch it weeks and months, and even in some cases years. It depends on how long you've been doing this, after the message has been preached, and it's people are coming to Jesus and coming to learn about his teachings and being impacted in a profound way, and share. And then that leads to sharing.